Peter Dew here, public speaking trainer and coach. Fear of public speaking is still the number one thing that people bring to me when they come to a coaching session or attend one of my workshops. And when you drill down into the fear, one of the themes that comes all the way through is fear of what other people think of me. I abbreviate that to FOWOT. And this is the essence of the fear of public speaking in many people's cases. What if people don't like me? What if my message doesn't go down well with the audience? What if I muck up and they think I'm incompetent? So FOWOT is really one of those things we all need to deal with as we do our public speaking, as we go on that journey, as we raise the bar and get out of our comfort zone. So here's some tips to help you deal with FOWOT. Number one, it's not about you, it's about the audience. Whether the audience likes you or not is irrelevant. What matters is, does your message resonate with the audience? Does your message help the audience? Does your message solve the problem, the pain that the audience is experiencing? Or if we put a positive spin on that, does your message help the audience achieve their goals, their aspirations? The second thing to realize is FOWOT, fear of what others think of us, is an internal dialogue, and it comes back to our ego. We're worrying about ourselves, therefore our focus, our attention cannot be on our audience. So FOWOT, in fact, is part of our ego state. So we need to put our egos aside and focus on doing a good job for the audience. The third thing is to realize that what other people think of us is really none of our business. As I'm doing this video blog for you, some of you will be forming opinions. It's none of my business. Now, I welcome feedback, but as I'm in the act of speaking or presenting, to worry about FOWOT and try and work out whether you like me or not is really none of my business. The same as I tell my audiences as I scan the room, I often form opinions of people as well fairly quickly. Now, that's just my opinion, and it's not really any of your business. I'm still going to give you 100% of myself, of my message. So there's three strategies of FOWOT. FOWOT is for dealing with FOWOT. FOWOT is one of those things that surfaces when we talk about fear of public speaking. So I've got this little saying, FOWOT, so what? People will form opinions, they will judge you, but that's not what you're there to worry about. You're there to worry about your content, your message, your influence, your ability to help your audience. FOWOT, so what? This is Peter Dew, signing out.